Hi everyone, and today we are here at
Soma.
Soma at Grand Hyatt Santros East, and we are here for a very special evening because we are here with Vignesh Nair, who is doing a Story Soviet Bloggers Meet.
Hashtag Story Soviet Bloggers.
Sorry, hashtag Story Soviet Bloggers Meet. Okay, and we're here with very amazing bloggers. And Vignesh, tell us something about this.
Sure. Hi guys, this is Vignesh from Story Soviets, and this is the very first bloggers meet that I'm hosting. I've kind of invited 10 of my very favorite foodies, and we're here to check out the new menu at Soma. That's Grand Hyatt's Indian restaurant.
We are one of his favorite, huh? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
We are pretty excited to try it. Let's
Yes,
see
we
how
are.
it goes.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And here are all of bloggers sitting over here.
Louder,
All
guys.
excited.
Hi.
We have a blogger friend who's already eating. She, her name is Ekta Nair, and she writes at shoepastryluck.com. Yes, so shoepastryluck.wordpress.com.
Yeah.
Do check it out.
Yep. So right now I'm having the Murg Haryali kebab, Sikh kebab it is, and I've tasted it. It's really fresh. I can taste the haryali, that's the coriander in the Sikh kebab, and it's very very moist and yummy. Do try it. I'm gonna try it with the mint sauce right now. The mint sauce really adds to the flavor of the kebab, and it's really good.
मतलब ये खाने लायक आइटम अच्छी है.
Yes,
जरूर खाने का.
definitely.
Okay.
So next up is Kshitij Shah. Hi guys. Who blogs at bambayaveggie.com, and that's him, a happy face because he has some vegetarian dish on his plate.
I'm having the mutton honey mirch tikki, which is like your harabara kebab, but just with peas and chili. Thankfully, it's not too spicy. It's just got a subtle spice to it, and it's very nice. It's a nice way to start your meal.
Okay, so the next we have is Dana, and she writes at मैं भूल गया, sorry. The height of hunger.blogspot.com. Sorry, .in, and she's having jhingas. Yes, we are capturing you. And what are you having?
I'm having achari tandoori prawns. Gravy, it's so good. The prawns is so I can just go on eating.
Best friend Elson. And it's mochi he's having. Acha, Elson blogs at tummycake.wordpress.com. Do check it out. He writes about everything about food. Hum jaisa. Okay, so what are you having, Elson?
I'm having the rava fried fish. I like the rava coating. It's nice, crisp like it should be. The inside of the fish is, I think, a little overcooked and underspiced, which I think can be corrected later on. But overall, a decent effort. I think just add some more spice and it will be good to go. Thank you.
Mohit, how's the veg food as you're vegetarian today?
And I'm vegetarian today. So I'm on a diet. So the menu looks good for a non-vegetarian.
Again, Vignesh, I want that look again.
I'm vegetarian today because I am on a diet. Bas, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see that
Okay,
diet.
to the food now. For me, on the menu, we have limited items, that is dum aloo bhojpuri, ghar ki bhindi, bengan bharta, dal varan, dal makhani, and many more. Among all of them, bengan bharta was one of the best. Second comes dum aloo bhojpuri. Bhojpuri tha na? Dum aloo bhojpuri, and then comes the bhindi. But do try the bengan bharta. It's one of the best I've had till date. मेरी माँ से अच्छा नहीं है, मेरी माँ से अच्छा बनाती है. तो ये घर का खाना है. So if you're a vegetarian, you can try. There's a limited choice on the menu. Do try the bharta for sure.
Hello, Shetty.
Hi,
Finally,
Hi,
our
guys.
Shetty is back. After
Just
so
ignore
many इतने दिनों के बाद, Shetty is back on the channel.
So our main course is here, and what we had is, as of now, I had tried the Malwani Kombdi curry, and what was the other thing? The Sukka mutton. Between both the things that I liked, the Kombdi curry is a tad creamy, more on the Punjabi side, I'll say, rather than being a Kolhapuri dish. But the Sukka mutton was the star of the dish, I guess. Perfect. Being a South Indian, I can say it was done to perfection and pretty good for me. I'll go with the Sukka mutton.
It's really creepy.
Please ignore him.
Okay, now to Vignesh, the host, Hamara Dost.
Okay. So, I've tried the Malwani style prawn curry and the fish angote. I actually like both of them because I like seafood. The prawn curry is specifically like really nice. I really like the flavors. It's not that spicy, and I mean it's just right. And the fish ambotek is good. It's well marinated, and the flavors are really in the fish, and that's what I like about it. Yeah.
Pakka. So you should come and when you come here, you should have this for sure.
You should have the prawn curry for sure.
Prawn curry. मतलब you should have the genius. So he's back with his.
Hello, and we have Jagruti, which is love to live to.
Love to.
Thank you. Get it right. So
What's
love
up?
to live to eat. Okay. And then there's Ronak going crazy with his. Okay, so it's dessert time, everybody. So we have all got these huge portions of desserts, which are really yummy. Thanks. Okay, so what we have is Malai Kulfi, Gulab Jamun, Malai Kulfi, Gulab Jamun, Pan Kulfi, Kesari Rasmalai. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the.
And while she starts with the Malai
Oh
kulfi,
shit!
I'm
Sorry,
going
it's
to dig in.
Rasmalai. It's Rasmalai.
Rasmalai. I'm going to dig into the pan kulfi.
I'm gonna eat the Gulab Jamun. Okay, the Rasmalai is really nice. And I would get something very hot.
Yeah, melt in the mouth, soft and yummy. And having this good gulab jamun after the longest time. Really nice.
I really like the Rasmalai. Though I feel this is a bit watery, I would like it a bit thick. But the Rasmalai is really tasty. And I'm gonna go for the Gulab Jamun now, while Ronak will tell you about the Pan Kulfi.
Okay, so all of you guys out there who love pan, you need to get here to try this. This is like because the ice cream is all pan, and then there's gulkan, and then there's like bits and pieces of everything that is inside a pan that is spread around, and you suddenly get this treasure hunt kind of thing which comes in your mouth, and it's amazing.
So amazing. Oh my god. Okay. So, Kulfi is really nice.
Nothing can go wrong.
Okay, can you go faster? My dessert is melting. You know.
Okay, fine. So, Bawa cheese desserts are melting. So, he wants us to go faster. We never did that when he was talking about the veg main course. But, anyways, guys, do come here. It's a great place and you have great food.
Yep.
And we all had a great time. And everybody over there also had a great time. They're all busy eating desserts, so never mind that. And thank you, Vignesh, our Story Soviets, for hosting this this meet. And thank you everyone for watching. And do come. Signing off. FTB.